Welcome to InArt, and today we'll make an interesting video for some people probably. This is not a musical things, I mean not something so usual. Today we try this. This is the Xiaojia Studio noise generator. It offers two kinds of noise. One is white noise if you pull the switch. The other one is, I think, brown noise. I'm not sure. If you are disappointed and you can't tell to me is pink noise or something else, comment below. So let's listen to this dry, okay? Without any effect. This is the white noise. I'm just moving this. And this is the, I suppose, the brown noise. Okay? But now we are messing up with the effect. So, if you enjoyed the video, let me know, and see you next experimental noise video. Bye bye.